To add Stripe to your GoDaddy website, start by creating a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account by providing the required information such as your email address and password. Once you have created your Stripe account, log in to your GoDaddy website and navigate to the Payments section. If you are using the GoDaddy website builder, click on the Add Section button and select the Online Store option. Then click on the Payment options and select Stripe as your payment gateway. You will be prompted to enter your Stripe account information, including your publishable key and secret key. You can find these keys in your Stripe account dashboard under the Developers tab. Copy and paste the keys into the required fields on your GoDaddy website and click Save. Once you have connected your Stripe account to your GoDaddy website, you can start accepting payments through Stripe. Make sure to test your payment gateway to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by making a test purchase on your website and verifying that the payment is processed successfully. It is also a good idea to customize your Stripe payment settings to fit your business needs. You can do this by going to your Stripe account dashboard and navigating to the Payments tab. From here, you can customize your payment settings, such as setting up recurring payments or refunds. By following these steps, you can easily add Stripe to your GoDaddy website and start accepting payments online. Remember to always follow best practices for online payments, such as keeping your Stripe account information secure and up to date. This will help to ensure that your online payments are processed smoothly and securely. Additionally, make sure to comply with all relevant laws and regulations, such as GDPR and PCI compliance, when accepting online payments through Stripe. By taking these steps, you can provide a secure and convenient payment experience for your customers and help to grow your online business.